everyone! How are you today? I hope you're well. Today we are back with Playtime Phonics. Let's have a look. What sound are we going to learn today? Unit 10, the sound of og. That's right, the sound of O-G, og. Can you see the two letters? O-G. O and G make the sound og. Og. Okay, let's blend it together. O, g. Og. That's right. The letter O makes the O sound and the letter G makes the g sound. Og. 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 Good. Now we're going to have a look at some words that have the og sound in them. Let's have a look. The first one is log. That's right. This is a log. Now let's spell it out together. L-O-G. Log. That's right. Do you see the O-G at the end of the word? Og, right? Let's blend it together. L. Og. Log. One more time. L. Og. Log. Good, well done. Okay, the next word that I have is a dog. That's right, dog. This is a dog. And let's spell it together. D-O-G. Do you see the O-G at the end? Okay, let's blend it together. D. Og. Dog. That's right, the letter D makes the D sound and O-G makes the og sound. D. Og. Dog. Okay? Next. What is this little boy doing? He is jogging. So we say jog. Jog. J-O-G. So O-G is at the end again. J makes the J sound. Og. O-G. Og. J. Og. Jog. Okay? I have one more word. What is this? That's right, it's a frog. Right? A frog goes croak, croak. Okay? Let's spell it together. F-R-O-G. So what sounds does the letter F make? R makes the R sound. Fr. And O-G makes the og sound. So let's blend it together. Fr. Og. Frog. One more time. Fr. Og. Frog. Okay? So those were some of the words that have the og sound in them. Let's see one more time. O-G, og. 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 Okay? Now, we are going to learn a little rhyme together. Let's listen to it first, okay?
Letters O-G. The sound og. It's rhyme time now. Mag and Mog like to jog. Mag trips over by a log.
Okay, so let's have a look. Mag and Mog like to jog. That's right. So Mag is this little girl and Mog is this little dog. Mag and Mog like to jog. That's right, they like to jog. So let's see. Do you see this word mog? Do you hear the og sound there? That's right, O-G. Mag and Mog like to jog. Jog. J-O-G. Jog. Do you hear the og sound? Good. Okay. Mag trips over by a log. That's right. But Mag trips over by a log. There was a log on the path and Mag trips over. Uh-oh. So do you see the word log? L-O-G, log. The og sound is at the end of the word.
Mog carries Mag on his back. What a good and helpful dog.
So, Mog carries Mag on his back. That's right, the little dog Mog carries Mag on his back. What a good and helpful dog. What a good and helpful dog. D-O-G. Do you see the og sound? Dog. Right. So, this is the rhyme that we're going to do with the music, okay? Let's listen to it one more time.
Mag and Mog like to jog. Mag trips over by a log. Mog carries Mag on his back. What a good and helpful dog.
Okay, this time we're going to do it together. So join in at me and look at the actions as well, okay? Mag and Mog like to jog. Mag trips over by a log. Mog carries Mag on his back. What a good and helpful dog. Okay,
It's your turn.
this time we're going to do it without the lady singing, so join in. Mag and Mog like to jog. Mag trips over by a log. Mog carries Mag on his back. What a good and helpful dog. Okay, so that was the rhyme. I hope you enjoyed it. What sound did we learn today? The og sound with the letters O-G. Og. That's it for today. Goodbye.